Welcome to Kitchenesia, where we celebrate beautiful kitchen designs that make your heart sing. Today we are exploring a stunning American country, U-shaped kitchen featuring gorgeous ivory cabinets and the coziest lighting. Get ready to fall in love with every charming detail we are about to share with you. Imagine stepping into this charming kitchen where creamy ivory cabinets wrap around you like a warm hug. The butcher block island glows under vintage pendant lights, while brass hardware catches the eye. Natural oak floors anchor everything beautifully, creating that cozy country feeling you have been dreaming about for years. This delightful kitchen feels like home the moment you walk in. Soft ivory shaker cabinets line the walls, complemented by warm maple countertops that practically invite you to start baking. Glass cabinet doors showcase your favorite dishes, while under-cabinet lighting adds that perfect touch of warmth and ambience throughout. Picture yourself in this intimate cooking space where ivory cabinetry meets rustic charm. Wooden countertops bring natural warmth, while exposed oak beams overhead add character. Vintage copper cookware hangs within reach, and that cream vintage refrigerator adds authentic country style. Every detail whispers comfort and timeless American tradition you will absolutely adore. Welcome to a kitchen designed for comfort and efficiency. Ivory flat panel cabinets with bronze hardware create a classic look, while buttery granite counters provide practical workspace. The rolling cart offers extra storage, and wide plank distress flooring adds rustic appeal. Cozy lighting makes everything feel inviting and wonderfully homey throughout. This snug kitchen wraps you in warmth with its creamy ivory cabinetry and honey-toned butcher block counters. A vintage trolley sits ready for meal prep, while the farmhouse sink beneath the window overlooks your little herb garden. Jute rugs and reclaimed wood shelves complete this peaceful, country-inspired retreat perfectly. Step into this cottage-style kitchen where simplicity meets function beautifully. Ivory cabinets with porcelain knobs line the walls, while soapstone counters offer durable workspace. Natural light filters through muslin curtains onto potted herbs. The slim prep table provides extra room, and honey-stained oak floors ground everything with authentic warmth and character. Discover the charm of this efficient kitchen wrapped in soft ivory cabinetry with bronze accents. Quartz counters gleam under vintage pendant lights, while the mobile island keeps essentials close at hand. Weathered oak flooring and cream subway tiles create layers of texture. Every corner radiates that welcoming country spirit you have always wanted. This petite kitchen maximizes every inch without sacrificing style. Creamy shaker cabinets with brass pulls surround warm maple countertops, while milk glass fixtures cast gentle light. The vintage step stool stands ready near upper cabinets. Checkered linoleum flooring and tongue and groove paneling bring authentic cottage character that never goes out of style. Embrace the simplicity of this country kitchen where ivory cabinetry creates a serene backdrop. Natural wood counters and industrial pendant lights balance traditional and practical styles perfectly. The rolling cart holds vintage enamelware, while reclaimed wood shelves display stoneware treasures. Whitewashed pine floors and braided rugs complete this charming, welcoming atmosphere beautifully. Experience classic country living in this ivory-wrapped kitchen. Beadboard panel cabinets and brass hardware evoke timeless appeal, while cream-solid surfaces provide easy maintenance. The distressed wooden table offers prep space and vintage charm. Natural oak flooring grounds the design, and that buttercream range brings authentic farmhouse style you will cherish. This efficient kitchen showcases ivory cabinetry that maximizes storage without overwhelming the space. Butcher block counters add warmth, while schoolhouse pendants provide perfect lighting. The mobile island keeps essentials organized, and shiplap backsplash adds texture. Weathered gray oak floors and cotton rugs create layers of comfort that invite you to linger longer. Welcome to a kitchen where every detail counts. Creamy shaker cabinets with nickel hardware create clean lines, while beige granite counters offer subtle elegance. The vintage cart provides mobility and charm. Checkerboard flooring adds classic appeal, and that slide and range nestles perfectly between cabinets. Everything feels thoughtfully designed and wonderfully inviting. This cozy kitchen balances functionality with country charm effortlessly. Ivory flat panel cabinets with brass latches surround marble effect counters, while seated glass pendants cast warm light. Open shelving displays ironstone dishes and woven baskets. The prep surface holds vintage enamelware, and driftwood flooring anchors everything with natural, weathered beauty. Settle into this welcoming kitchen where ivory cottage cabinetry with porcelain knobs creates vintage appeal. Light oak counters showcase natural grain, while amber glass pendants glow warmly overhead. The rolling island provides extra workspace and storage. Honey-toned oak flooring grounds the design beautifully, making this intimate space feel completely authentic and timelessly charming. This ivory cabinet U-shaped kitchen perfectly captures that warm American country spirit, with its cozy lighting and efficient layout. Every element works together beautifully in this tiny space. If you love these ideas, please hit that like button, subscribe to Kitchenesia, and share your thoughts in the comments below.